I don't know. I think it's probably alligators in there. I think it's alligators in there. Okay, whatever. That don't matter.
And I'm just waiting for my hairstylist to get here. Or he is here. I don't know yet. He said my hair is already good. I have my cousin braid it down for me.
I want to play chess. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back, you guys. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Let me know what you're thinking. As y'all can hear, oh gosh. Yeah, so we're in Orlando, Florida, and I have a modeling job. It's for Ulta Beauty. And what we are going to be doing today, y'all, sorry if I look crusty. I literally just woke up and I have to be there at 6:10. So yeah, I just have to make this video real quick though. I'm going to do a show for Ulta Beauty and I'm very excited. He's a celebrity hairstylist. His name is Vernon Francois. I met him yesterday when I walked into the hotel. It was very miraculous. Like, it wasn't planned out or anything. But I seen him and he seen me and, you know, we just started talking and everything. And he seems like such a nice guy. I love his work. I've been searching it up before I even got here. And y'all, we about to go. He's about to do my hair because he's a natural hair stylist. So it's going to be very interesting because that's what I do on my YouTube, y'all. Like, I do natural hairstyles. I have to start with getting my outfit ready, and I need to start, like, right now. That's what we're about to do, y'all, and I'll catch back up with you when I'm freaking ready. But for right now, y'all, we just woke up, and we're outside. Y'all, I'm so lost right now. I don't know. Should I take a right? Hopefully I'm going the right way. Y'all, hold on, fit check. Wait. Y'all, I don't know where the hell I am. And I only have like 5 minutes to get there. Is this it? I don't know, y'all. I don't know where I'm at. Yeah, that's definitely not it. Okay, we're going back down. I found it after struggling. I have 3 minutes, y'all. I have to cross this, go up those stairs, and hopefully I find where I'm looking. My feet kind of hurt walking in these heels, but I'm still cute though. Hold on. We're about to go to the convention center. From there, we're gonna get our little vlog started, y'all, for real. All right, you guys, I just got checked in. Now I really don't know where I'm going yet. I never know where I'm going, but we'll figure it out. They said that escalator. That's definitely not it. Mind ya, I'm about like 5, 6, 7 minutes late right now. Oh my god. I hope this is it. B. I don't know where I'm at. Hi. I have a question. I'm trying to get to the Ulta Beauty.
Inside, is that right? I'm not sure.
Thank you. No, where am I? I don't know. I'm late and I'm lost. I'm just following these people. Listen, y'all, one thing about me, when I'm lost, I'm gonna follow somebody. I don't care. Somebody know where they're going. I don't though. Oh, there it is, y'all. It says model prep area. I'm about to head in now, y'all. We finally freaking made it. Hello, welcome. I'll get back to you guys. Alright, y'all, so we made it. Like I said, I struggled for mad, hold on, let me put this. I struggled for mad long trying to get up here. It don't even make no sense how long I struggled. I gotta change my shirt back because they just had me take some pictures.
So now I have to put on this. This is what I wore today, y'all. And it's so cute. Like, the outfit is doing this outfit thing. And I'm just waiting for my hairstylist to get here. Or he is here. I don't know yet. He said my hair is already good. I had my cousin braid it down for me. When I blow dried it, I was like, all right, I'm about to be in Florida weather. Like, I don't know if it's gonna last. Right now, I'm just sitting waiting for the hairstylist. Yo, we're off. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't know where I'm going. I don't know what's going on. I'm just here, and I love it. I'm just walking, y'all. Hold on, we just turned the corner. Ooh. Thank you so much. You're welcome. I like your outfit. Thank you. I dropped my jacket. And this lady just came over to talk about she liked my outfit. And she picked up my jacket. How sweet. Yeah. It's very random, but it's okay. It still look good. All right, y'all. So I just got out of wardrobe. They put me in the cutest thing, y'all. It was the cutest little dress. Now I'm trying to put my stuff back on. All right, y'all, we're about to start. We just came from wardrobe and now we're about to do hair and makeup. Forgot I had my mic on me, y'all. Hey, we're over to makeup now. And it's lit, y'all. Y'all see the hair. The hair is cute. It's a vibe, to say the least. It is a vibe. Mac and cheese. I don't know about Brussels sprouts, y'all. Oh, I hear that Brussels sprouts are good, so I'm gonna try it. Yo, what? Bro, it's all edible. Y'all can see I still got the freaking cape on. I'm just trying to eat. I'm hungry and I'm a little tired. Macaroni, I give it like a 6 out of 10. I've had better. Let's try the Brussels sprout. And they said it got hot honey on it. Oh, hold on, let me click this. All right, let's try this. I'm not feeling that, y'all. Maybe a different day. I'm back in my room, obviously. I didn't know Orlando is low-key in the middle of Florida, so it's like, there's no beaches over here. Look, y'all, it makes sense. Like, dang, that's all we got over here is freaking lakes, y'all. Look. What am I supposed to do with that? I don't know. I think it's probably alligators in there. I think it's alligators in there. Okay, whatever. That don't matter. Let's go. It's pretty nice outside. I have my jacket and my sweatpants with me because I wasn't sure if it's gonna be cold out here. Hold on, let me give you a pan. Okay, we still panning. For my job, the shoes that I had, they was too small. They gave me a 10 and I'm a size 11. I get into the 10. The 10 is cool. Like, I don't even mind the 10. The 10 is cool. So I'm walking in 10. We did rehearsals. We did everything. If you ever had cramped feet, you understand. I thought I could deal with it because I deal with it at Nike. Yeah, I was in some Air Forces at Nike. Like, heels is a whole different ball game. I wonder if they got food over there. A lot of models do go into runways without their shoes fitting. Some models just don't care. I just felt the raindrop. Even though it's starting to rain, I'm still outside. It's lit. Like, what the hell you want me to say? It's so nice out. I'm glad I could do this before it starts raining. Everybody's around me. We chilling.
You wanna play chess?
I want to play chess. It's raining for real now. Yeah, it's time to go. All right, y'all. We about to go back to the room now.
Y'all, what? I'm on my way downstairs. We about to get some Red Lobster from DoorDash. And then we about to go back upstairs and chill. Really, I've been chilling this whole time. I love it. I'm vibing, watching ridiculousness. I haven't seen that in forever. And when I get back upstairs, I'll get back to you guys with my food.
I'm about to bust this open right now, actually, so you guys can see how freaking good it is gonna be. Let me make sure it's bread. I'll make sure I'm not tweaking. Oh, it's bread. Okay, let me show you guys. Bread right here. Thank you, Red Lobster biscuits. They're the best. I don't think there's any biscuits better than this. If you think so, leave a comment and let me know, because I don't think so. And then we got some pasta. You see me trying to open it, right? One hand. But then I got some broccoli on the side. And I'm gonna put the broccoli in here. They didn't give me no utensils. I try not to eat the bread first because, y'all, they try to give you the bread so you get full. They not fooling me. They try to give you the bread so you get, I gotta go get some freaking silverware. They try to give you the bread first so you get full.